What's up, Fire Tech Nation? So, we're going to start this video off by saying this is episode 1 of Game No Matter What. I don't know how many episodes I'm going to do, so let's just get that out the way. I haven't really planned this out. But this is episode 1 of Game No Matter What. As you can see, this is an ASRock A520M board. So, yes, it is a M8M ATX board. It has one, as you can see right there, 3.0 PCIe lane. What is it? About 16 actually lane. And it also has one Ultra M.2 for your SSD. It has 2 DIMM slots. It has a 4-pin connector for your power supply, so you know you're not overclocking anything. It actually came with this battery, with the CMOS battery. There's your VRMs. As you can see, no heat sink on the VRMs. But let me tell you something. I use this board for one of my budget builds, and it's currently $550. It's the Nightlife Lo-Fi. It will take up to a 5950X. But if you're gaming with it, of course, you want to use the 5800 X3D. Or you could, and yes, just upgrade the BIOS, it'll work perfect. Now, the reason why it's called Game No Matter What is because a lot of people think if you use an AM4 board in this day and age, which you actually probably should with the RAM prices, you seem to be like a budget guy, or, a budget is whatever you can afford. So, and before anybody gets too far ahead, this is a BA50 Stealth. It's made by Gigabyte. It's the Aorus. Of course, you see the 4 DIMM slots. It's got 2 PCIe connectors on there. One is by 16, one is by 4. Of course, this is AM5. It does have back connect. That's why you don't see any connectors on the front. Now, you're probably thinking, you got that board. Well, why are you, talking about this board? Because this is called Game No Matter What. So before you let somebody downplay you or down talk you for having, a $600 bill, $700 bill, $800, $900 bill, $1,000 bill, because their bill starts with this, that's fine for them. But if you game with this and you max this out, you're gonna do just fine. And even if you don't max it out, let's say you run this with a 6 gig 2060, RTX 2060. Remember, RTX, it has ray tracing in it. So you could play every modern game. You're not going to be playing at 4K, no, but you can play every modern game. Now, since it is equipped with only 3.0 PCIe lanes, you still can take this up to a comfortable 4070 and be happy, especially with a 5800 X3D. 32 gigs of RAM. It's going to cost you way less than this guy right here. And you can get these boards in white as well. So the whole thing is game no matter what. Don't let anyone talk you down or talk you out of gaming, because this is your budget. If this is your budget, so be it. That's great. But if this is your budget, make sure you put your pride into it. You put your heart into your build. Or if somebody else building for you, you build what you can, and you just play. You enjoy it. Doesn't matter if it's AMD, Intel, or NVIDIA. Doesn't matter. Just play and enjoy yourself. And get off a console. You can't mod. You can't play maybe with the Xbox trying to do. If that works out, you'll be able to play every system and some PC games. But with a PC, you can play every system and damn near every console game. So, before I end this, remember, you can have this, and that's great. Or you can have this, and that's still great. At the end of the day, like I always say, get in the end game, get a PC. This Sean with Fire Tech Labs. I'm out.